Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you feel centered, settled, and at peace, no matter what storm may be passing through or what season of life you may be in right now. No matter the chaos, there is always a way to access your peace within. So let's do that here today. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. Get yourself comfortable, whether it's sitting or lying down. Follow what feels good to you right now. And then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Begin by taking a deep, cleansing breath in and a soft, releasing breath out. Let yourself arrive here, in this moment, in this space you have intentionally created for yourself. Give yourself acknowledgement for taking this space and this time and dedicating it to connecting to the deeper and wiser part of you. Take another deep cleansing breath in and a soft releasing breath out. Settle your body. Arrive with your awareness. Pay attention to the stillness that is here the moment you arrive. Bring your awareness to your head and face and neck, and then notice if there are any areas here that could use some tender attention. Soften your forehead, soften your ears, relax and soften your jaw. Release and relax your face. And let all of this tension in your head melt out and away and down through your neck, and let your shoulders melt back and down, taking with it any tightness in your ribs or your belly. Let them soften and continue down, taking away any tension in your hips and moving down and taking with it anything else you need to let go of as you continue down your legs, over your knees, and down to your ankles and feet. till you finally soften the bottoms of your feet and let go. All at once, let all the tension from everywhere in your body slip down and away and into the earth. Let your loving attention allow the tension in your body to release. You don't need it. You can let it go now. Bring your awareness now back up to your heart. Feel your heart beating. Feel your lungs breathing. Feel your body working for you. And feel yourself softening for it. That is all that it asks. Soft body, soft mind. You don't need to work hard at finding peace. You don't need to work hard at creating it. You just need to not work, to let go and let it be there as it always is. Stay with your breath. Let it be soft and slow. And take your time here on your own to sink into the peace even more that is within you at all times. And then whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you feel more at peace, no matter what may be happening in your life right now. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.